So I was using this AI tool for fun, but then I found this another website where I can just copy and paste images from that tool, and I made over $5,000 doing this. And there is no doubt that this is the best way to make money online because you don't need a camera, you don't need to take pictures, and this is not some Instagram trick. This AI tool will generate the unique images for you for completely free. And you can copy these images and paste them on this site where you will get paid 0.70 cents per view on your images, which means you don't need to sell anything and you will get paid every time someone view your images. But the only thing you need to keep in mind is that you cannot upload images on this website that belongs to others or the images created by others, otherwise you will get banned from the site. Don't worry, I will show you this AI tool that will help you to generate completely unique images which you can use for free and make money online. So the first step is to come over to this website. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. But as you can see, there are different images of nature, pets, drawings, some beautiful locations, and many more. So you can post any image on this website, but it should be unique and should be created by you. Now for the second step, I want you to come to the top of this homepage and click on how it works option right here. On the next page you can see that you will get paid when your photos are viewed. No selling required, and you don't need any followers for this. You will get paid 0.70 cents every time someone view your images, which is even higher than YouTube and Spotify. And you just need $15 to withdraw your money from this website, and it's very easy to make your first $15 on the site because you are getting paid per view on your image. All you have to do is to upload the photos that you will create using this AI tool. Other users of this website will view your images and you will get paid per view on the site. Now the third step is to sign up yourself on this site called clickasnap.com. So just click on this blue sign up button on the top. On the next page, you just need to fill in your email, create your password, and click on register button right here. Then on this page, you have to choose your plan from free plan to a pro seller plan. But as you can see, in free plan, you won't get paid for views. Whereas in paid plans, you will get paid per view. But don't worry, I will show you from where you can get $2 again and again for completely free so that you can get this ads-free plan in which you will get paid per view on your images. Once you select your account plan, you will land on this page where you can set your profile name, create a unique URL for your channel on the site, add description, and add profile picture. And then, just click confirm on the bottom of this page. And after that your account will be ready, and you can start to make money online copy and pasting images. If you want, you can watch this detailed video to understand how you will get paid on the site. After that you need to verify your email ID to set up your account properly. So just click the verification link sent to your email, your account will be verified, and you can start to use it for making money. For the fourth step, I want you to click on the marketplace on the top of the website, scroll down a little bit, and select people from here. And here you can see that people selling their images for money. You can also sell your images if you want to, but this is not what I want you to do. So just select the members' photos from top left corner. And as you can see here, there are many images of members of this website. And the most of these images have just a face of the members, or we can say, these images are similar to passport size photos only. They are making money by sharing these photos on the site. And this is the opportunity for us to make money with this. But you don't need to show your face or use your pictures for this. The AI tool will help us to create completely unique images of human face. Now if you click on the upload option right here, you will land on this page, where you can either select your photos from here, or you can simply drop your files in this box to upload them. You can upload files in the format of JPG, PNG, or GIFs format only. But keep in mind that you can upload only those photos that you own. Otherwise you will get banned from this site if you use photos owned by others. Even some channels on YouTube shows you to use the copyright-free images from Google and upload them here, but that method is also wrong and your account will get banned. You cannot use any photos available on Google, and you cannot upload any free or paid stock footages on this website. You just have to upload images created by you. And for this, the fifth step is to come over to Google and search for free AI photo generator. You can choose any of these tools available on Google, but the one I used is this one, generated.photos. So for example, if you select this one, it will take you its homepage. And as you can see here, you can create high-quality photos like this using this tool. And you can customize each and everything in your unique photos. You can customize the age, gender, eyes, hairs, looks, etc. All you need to do is to click on Start Browsing option right here and register yourself for free on this website. Once you sign up, you can click here on Face Generator and then select Generate Faces on next page. It will take you to this page where you can create completely free photos. So as you can see, there is an image on the screen, and if you want to change this image, just click on Random Face option on the top and it will change the image for you. Each time you click this random face option, this tool will show you the images that are unique and they are not available on the internet because the AI tool has just created this image for you. Now you can change the gender of this image by selecting the male or female option on the left-hand side. Click Update Face and it will change the gender of this image for you. Now you can also change the emotions on the face by selecting different emotions available here. So for example, if you select neutral option and click update face, it will load and change the face emotion from smiling face to neutral face. And if you select surprised face and click on update face, it will change the face to the surprised photo. Like this, you can also change the skin tone and the color of hairs in the photo from options available. And you can choose the length of the hairs, you can choose the glasses for the photo, makeup for eyes and lips, etc. So you can play around and create the best and unique photo using this AI tool in just 5 minutes. After that, just click on the download option under the photo and download this image to your device. And then come back to clickasnap.com and upload your image. Then give it some catchy title like, "Only 1% people can read this text written on her face." And in the description also you can write, "This is an entertaining challenge to help you find whether you are in 1% of the people on the world or not." Then you can add different tags related to this image, like beautiful girl, beautiful lady, girl, challenge, happy, etc. And in category, you can choose beauty from here. And then just click confirm option from here, and your image will be visible to others. And the good thing is that you can upload unlimited images on this website, and you can earn unlimited money from here. The 6th step is to click on your image, and it will show you many options under your image. Just click on view option right here, and it will take you to this page where you can see your image. Now I want you to copy the URL of your image from this bar on the top and come over to the site called imgur.com. As per SimilarWeb, Imgur is getting over 190 million visitors every single month. So you can do the maths. If only 100,000 people watch your images on clickasnap.com, you will be making a lot of money every single month. And all you have to do is to sign up on Imgur for free. And once you log into your account, click on your profile icon on the top right corner and select posts from there. Now just click on new post and from next page, choose the photo that we created using AI tool and upload it. Then for title, come over to clickasnap.com and copy the title of this image from here and paste that in the title option on Imgur post. Then paste the same title in the description of this post and write something like 99% people fail. Click on this link to view full-sized image. Now copy your image URL from clickasnap.com and paste the link next to this text right here. And then just click on post to community and your post will be visible to over 190 million people on this website. And whenever people will click on this link, they will be taken to this image where they can view the complete image and we will make money on each view we will get. That's it for today. Subscribe to my friend's channel, Finance Girl. She is hosting a $1,000 giveaway on completion of her 1,000 subscribers. Link to the channel will be in description of this video. And to make $2 again and again, click on the right video showing on the screen right now.